On the previous episodes of Build By, we're giving you a tour on the projects that are recently built by us. My name is Kyle, and on today's episode, we will be featuring the first of two specially requested elegant bungalow house that we've built. So, let's go. If you're new to our channel and haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay in the loop on the projects that we release. So this project is specially requested. This is the first of two bungalow houses na request sa atin nila clients, no? Kasi we don't usually build bungalow houses on this scale. Pero since meron tayong dalawang OFW clients na naghahanap ng mapagkakatiwalaan nilang designer and contractor while they're away the country, we accepted it since magkalapit lang naman din silang dalawa. So this is an elegant bungalow house. It is designed by GK Architects. Their design here is modern contemporary. Minmaximize nila yung space kasi we just have 170 square meters in total floor area and lot area as well. This is the garage. This gate is fully automated, so it slides all the way popasok sa area natin, and it can fit 2 cars parallel parking. Kikita nyo, this is design, clean lines lang, and then the gate, meron tayong mga perforated sheets dyan. And then nag-install tayo ng pedestrian gate right here para hindi mo na kailangan buksan yung buong gate para lang makapasok ka sa loob. So as we enter here sa ating carport, no, so ito yung space that fits 2 cars. Here we have yung ating tool cabinet, no. So nabubuksan itong tool cabinet. Na-fit natin siya kahit na yung gate dumadaan siya papunta dito, no. Please excuse kasi marami pa kaming mga minor retouches na gagawin dito. Our owner, since bumalik na siya from States, so nandito na siya, we wanted them to enjoy na this house. So kailangan na namin din i-feature since nagkakaroon na sila ng maraming personal na gamit. Right here, meron tayong mga flexi stone na ginamit sa ating walls. So this is the sliding door leading to the living area. The area of this is around 37 square meters. Ito yung pinaka main entrance to the porch. This is a metal gate. Naglagay kami dito ng smart lock. By the way, ito yung area na paglalagyan natin ng inverter natin for the solar system of the house, which will be installed next week. Speaking of solar, we are now offering solar system for your residential house or your buildings or offices. So you can check out our new page. It is Solar Prime. You can contact us. We'd like to hear from you. Get your estimates with us. Submit our quotations to your solar needs. So let's go. So this is the main cabinet. Ito, pwede kasi maglagay ng shoes mo na dito para hindi na papasok dito sa main area. So this is the porch. Basically parang enclosed porch siya, pero you still have your natural light. Hindi pa rin siya totally sarado, pero dito meron tayo na clear na roof para maliwanag na maliwanag pa rin. So this serves as a door and window pa rin as well. So kaya glass yan para yung light still coming in. So this is yung cascading waterfall. Binuo na natin yung buong area para pagpasok mo meron ng elements of water. Kikita na rin siya for the entire house kasi glasses naman lahat to. Kahit nandito ka sa living room, kahit nandito ka sa nakikita mo pa rin yung cascading waterfall. Especially sa nighttime, napakaganda ng effect nito. Porch is around 16 square meters. So as you enter here, this is the dining area, and then this will be the formal kitchen area. So on this side, ito pinaka hallway natin dito, makikita nyo bakit maliwanag na maliwanag pa rin kasi we've incorporated yung skylight dito. So sa buong roof na to, natural light coming in, tapos nilagyan natin ng cladding na flexi-stone. So makikita nyo, mapapansin nyo na hindi pantay yung area na to. Yung lot nila hindi siya perfect na square, pero still wanted na i-maximize yung area kaya hindi kami nag-cut. Itong area na to slanted siya. So makikita nyo from the flooring of our fall hanggang dito, hanggang sa cabinetry natin, meron talagang slant yung area na to. Hindi siya perfect na squalado. So that's the beauty of it. The reason why nandito lahat ng storages para wala tayong overhead cabinets. Una-una, mataas, mahirap. This is a retirement house. So this is senior friendly. Nandito lahat sa baba ng ating storages. This is the formal kitchen. You have your sink right here and your cooktop right here. Meron tayo din dito na coffee machine, and then meron tayong mga outlets dito. Incorporate natin sa ating modular cabinet is our oven and the microwave. Very clean lang, no? So linagay natin ng strip lights dito, in-uplight natin, no? So para ma-emphasize pa rin ito. Backsplash natin na sintered stone and flexi stone. Linagyan natin ng two combinations of simple third stone, dark one and the white one. So this modular is equipped with yung mga necessary natin cutleries. Then we have yung spice rack right here para when you're cooking, yung mga spices mo nandito lang beside you. And then we have mga wire baskets right here, pull out wire baskets. So by the way, we're doing this fit outs din sa mga condo. Hindi namin masyadong na-feature na yun because of the privacy. So we're doing mga modular cabinets, fit outs ng mga cladding, and also yung mga walk-in closet, wardrobe, modular ng toilet and bags. If you have a requirement for your existing house or your existing condo, if you want to have us design and build your fit outs or modular cabinets, you can visit our page, Prime Module. We will put the link below. You can message us here or on our page on the Prime Module on Facebook so we can get in touch. And now this door is leading to the service kitchen. So as you can see, glass din yung ginamit kasi we've incorporated skylight din dito sa area na to. So this glass door is borrowing natural light from this roof. We have yung service kitchen right here. We have yung stove dito and sink and cabinet, overhead cabinets right here na easy lang i-access. And then we have our laundry area right here. So magkakaroon pa ng future housing na itong ating mga washing machines. So you have your powder room right here. Meron tayong toilet space right here. And meron tayong sink din na custom natin na fabricated na sintered stone. This one also has a skylight coming in from the roof. Hindi siya masikip or kulob, no? Kahit na bungalow siya and it has a lot of firewall sa perimeter, pero may maximize pa rin natin yung space, yung light. By the way, ang ating area for the service kitchen is around 6 square meters and the powder room is around 3 square meters. The area of this dining area in the formal kitchen is around 36 square meters. Proceed naman tayo sa ating living room. Yung kanina natin na door na sinasabi, this one, it could fully open papunta dito. And dahil nga glass ito, makikita nyo pa rin yung cascading waterfall from the inside. Balik tayo dito. We have cladding dito na ginawa natin using UV board. And then we have incorporated strip lights. Tapos dito, naglagay tayo din ng cladding na ginawa natin curve yung area na to. This will be the altar. Kinlad natin siya all the way right here dito sa ating TV wall. Inayos natin siya in a way na magiging seamless siya. The area of this one is around 21 square meters. So this one is the sliding door na fully open, no? So you can open this one and then you can maximize the space from your living to your carport. So close natin ulit. Yung door natin, ginawa natin tong concealed. Pero hindi siya yung usual na ginagawa natin na concealed na walang handle kasi they wanted na handle pa rin, no? Pero ginawa natin black siya para at least, di ba, mukha pa rin siyang concealed. So we're here at the junior master's bedroom. And this is approximately around 16 square meters. This one, nag-incorporate tayo ng strip lights dito, ng cladding, na strip lang. Tapos, nilagyan natin ng uplight para mag-accentuate dito sa likod ng bed. And this one, nilagyan natin naman ng shelves and also table na very clean lines lang. And then, this one kasi meron tayong mahabang window right there na para meron pa rin privacy but at the same time, na-maximize pa rin natin yung natural light coming in and owning yan so you can still open that for air. This one, meron tayong wardrobe cabinet dito. Hindi ko na bubuksan kasi may personal gamit na. And this one, meron tayo glass door, no, leading to the bathroom. Yung glass door na to, frosted to, dark gray yung tint ng salamin mismo. And right here, meron tayong shower area. So you can see, malinis lang din. Black yung ginamit natin mga profile para nagmamatch. Tapos metallic gray for the shower. And then we use itong mga tiles natin na parang may natural textures. Ito, ginamitan natin sintered stone. Kinostomize natin itong sink na to, pati yung ledge hanggang dito sa may toilet. And this toilet and bath is around 4 square meters in area. So, we're back here again sa ating hallway. This one, kinlad natin siya using laminated boards. No? Sinadya na natin itong mga lines na natin ito. And the same level of our doors. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, medyo kinonceal natin na door. Pero hindi lang halata. So, kasi since black yung ginamit natin na door handle, kahit na require nila na mag-door handle pa rin tayo. As we open this one, this is the master's bedroom. You have your bed right here and also you have your back of the headboard and dinagyan natin to ng strip light, accentuate ulit pataas. Meron tayo dito na TV wall using UV board and also naglagay tayo ng mirrors ulit sa sides and then dinagyan natin ng black frames para may konting accents pa rin. Nandito naman yung ating pocket garden. Itong pocket garden na to, ginamit na natin to for the bedroom to maximize yung natural lighting here. Yun yung mga window kanina, no? So yung window for the bathroom there, and then window para sa walk-in, para laging merong natural light, laging may window. So dito, meron tayong plants, and also linagyan natin to, in-accent natin to ng Plexistone. Linagyan natin ng strip lights pa gilid para pag night time, maganda yung view mo from your bed. And also, from the morning na pagising mo, meron ka agad outside space dito na right beside your bed. Now, we're going to the walk-in closet, no? So this space is around 15 square meters, and the bucket garden is around 5 square meters. The walk-in closet natin is around 5 or 4 square meters. Ang request is open lang kasi gusto nila malinis lang nakikita, mas organized, and also nilagyan natin ng mga strip lights, and black lahat ng ginamit natin na accessories. And this is the master's ensuite toilet and bath, and you have your toilet right here, and then you have your sink right here na kinostom din natin. Ginamitan natin ng sintered stone, custom yan. And also this one, meron tayo ditong glass door, that will be the shower. So makikita nyo, yung shower natin, ang taas niya, meron ulit tayong skylight. No, since wala na tayong makuhanan ulit na window, meron tayong skylight na tuloy-tuloy yan, yung buong skylight na yan. Ganun din dun sa skylight dun sa powder room and dun sa service area. For the quick recap, balik naman tayo ulit dun sa living room. So for our recap, this one is a bungalow house. So it has a carport that fits 2 cars, and it is equipped with automated gate that slides inside. We have the porch na fully enclosed then, but has a natural light and ventilation. And we have a dining room, formal kitchen, the living room, and then we have the service area right there at the back, and as well as the powder room. And right here at the front, we have the junior masters with its own ensuite toilet and bath. And we have the master's bedroom with its pocket garden, walk-in closet, and its own ensuite toilet and bath. The floor area and the total area of this one is around approximately 170 square meters, including everything na yan hanggang carport. If you want to know more about the price of this property, you can message us. For our pricing, we're starting at around 45,000 to 55,000 per square meter for the deluxe finish. And for the elegant finish, our price starts at 55,000 per square meters up to 65,000 per square meters. And for the luxury or iconic finish, we are starting at around 65,000 per square meters above. So depending na yun sa luxury finish or material that you require. Prices may vary depending on the locations, estates, and properties. It's really better to talk with us so that you would know more a lot about the pricing. The designer of this house is GK Architects. You can visit their socials. You can like their pages, both Facebook and Instagram. We're taking our partners for this project, Wintercool, Dizzy Blinds, and also our newly launched pages. Don't forget to like them as well, our Prime Module and Solar Prime. If you want to talk with us, connect with us, you can visit our socials, you can call our hotlines, and to check more of our project, you can scan through our YouTube channel and watch our recent videos. We're inches away from 100K subscribers. Thank you everyone for supporting us and liking our projects, and we hope to talk to you soon.